Listen, you clicked on this video because procrastination is ruining your life. You know exactly what you need to do, but you're just not doing it. You watch other people your age or younger building businesses, making progress, living the kind of life you want, and you're still stuck, scrolling, planning, overthinking, telling yourself you'll start tomorrow. And tomorrow never comes. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how I stopped procrastinating for good. And no, it's not some random productivity hack or time management system or Pomodoro technique. It's something completely different that nobody talks about. And before you think I'm just another self-help channel giving you generic advice, let me give you some context. I've built a business in my early 20s that's generated thousands of dollars in a single day in profit. And I'm not telling you this to brag, I'm telling you this because I used to be the biggest procrastinator you can possibly imagine. I literally wasted 7 months of my life paralyzed by fear and overthinking before I literally just started reaching out to potential clients for my business. So I know exactly what it feels like to be stuck. And that wasn't my only failure. And I also know what it takes to get unstuck. So if you're ready for change, this is for you. Here's the first thing you need to understand. And this is gonna sound simple, but most people completely miss this. What's your why? No, but seriously, you might think you know what you want, but do you really? Because here's what I've noticed. Most people have extremely vague goals, and I've spoken to hundreds of them, so I would know. They say things like, I want to be rich, or I want to make $10,000 per month, or I want to be successful, I want financial freedom. Okay, great. But what does that actually mean to you? Like, what does rich even look like? How much do you want to earn per year, per month, and why specifically? Why not more? Why not less? What lifestyle do you want? What does your day look like when you're successful? Most people have no idea. They have these fuzzy, abstract goals that don't mean anything concrete. And that's part of the reason they don't have the motivation to get out of bed and actually do anything. Because your brain can't get excited about vague concepts. Your brain needs specifics. So instead of saying, I want to be rich, you need to get crystal clear. Do you want to make $10,000 a month? Or $100,000 a month? And if yes, why specifically that amount? What would your life be like? Do you want to own a very specific car, live in a specific city, travel to specific places, work specific hours? You need to know exactly what you're working toward. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. And here's what changed everything for me. I stopped just thinking about my goals and I started experiencing my future ideal life in the real world. I know it can be a bit vague like this. Let me give you some examples. You love sports cars and you want to own one someday? Stop looking at pictures on the internet. Go to the Ferrari dealership, walk in there, look at the cars, sit in them if they let you, feel what it's like to be in that environment. It's so much better than looking at it on your computer. You want to live a certain lifestyle, book a one-night stay at a 4 or 5-star hotel, experience what it feels like, wear your fanciest clothes, eat at the nice restaurant, even if you buy the cheapest meal, feel what it's like to be that version of yourself. Because when you actually experience these things in real life, even just for a moment, it becomes real to you. It's not some distant fantasy anymore. It's tangible. You've touched it. You've felt it. And now, your brain knows exactly what you're working toward. That creates a level of motivation that vague goals never will. So get specific about what you want and then go experience little pieces of that life right now. It'll change everything. The second thing you absolutely need to do if you want to stop procrastinating is get a mentor. And I know what you're thinking, but mentors cost money. I can't afford that right now. Let me ask you this. Can you afford to waste another year of your life? Can you afford to spend months or even years testing things that don't work and only leave you more broke and frustrated? Can you afford to stay stuck where you are? Because that's what's going to happen if you try to figure everything out on your own. Here's the reality. When you're trying to do your thing on your own, you're missing two critical things. First, you most likely lack a lot of information on how to actually get to your goal. You don't know what works and what doesn't. You don't know which strategies are outdated and which ones actually produce results. You're basically guessing. And second, if you're someone who's more ambitious than the average person, it gets pretty lonely. No one around you really speaks your language. Your friends don't understand why you're working on a Saturday. Your family thinks you should just get a normal job. Nobody gets it. And that isolation kills momentum. A mentor solves both of these problems. They give you the knowledge you need and they give you accountability. Yes, it's gonna cost money, but what's worse? Spending some money on a mentor who's already gotten the results you want, or wasting months, even years of your life, and even thousands of dollars on tests that won't produce the desired results anyway. Plus, there's so much information out there from different sources that it can be impossible to know who to listen to or what to do. Everyone's telling you something different. So instead of trying to piece together a strategy from a whole lot of different YouTube videos, work with a mentor who's gotten the results you want for yourself and just listen to what they tell you. Sure, there isn't just one strategy that works, but by focusing on one approach and nothing else, you'll move a lot quicker than if you're constantly jumping between different strategies and never committing to anything. A mentor eliminates the guesswork and keeps you accountable. That's how you stop procrastinating. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, I'm fully aware that this next one is gonna make some people uncomfortable, but here's the truth. You are too comfortable. That's why you procrastinate. That's why you don't take action. Most people don't change or don't pull the trigger, and you know this if you're in sales, because they're afraid of the unknown. The brain always creates these worst case scenarios about what could happen in the future. What if I fail? What if people judge me? What if I lose money? What if it doesn't work out? Your brain is designed to keep you safe, and safe means staying exactly where you are. But here's the thing that nobody tells you. Staying as you are is actually the worst case scenario. Think about it. If you don't take action, if you don't try, if you stay comfortable in your current situation, what happens? Nothing changes. You're in the exact same spot a year from now, 5 years from now. That's the real risk. Not failure, not rejection, not losing some money. The real risk is waking up at 40 or 50 years old and realizing you never even tried. So you need to get uncomfortable. You need to do things that scare you. You need to put yourself in situations where you might fail, where you might get rejected. Because that's the only way you grow and you make more money. Comfort is the enemy of progress. You probably already know this. And as long as you're comfortable, you're not going to take action. So make yourself uncomfortable on purpose. Start the business. Send the messages to people who could buy. Make the call. Do the thing you've been avoiding. Because the discomfort of taking action is temporary. But I can tell you for a fact, the regret of inaction lasts forever, and it's the worst feeling in the world. Here's the fourth thing that completely changed how I approach goals and eliminated procrastination for me. I stopped setting deadlines for my goals. And I know this sounds counterintuitive because everyone tells you that you need to have deadlines and timelines and all that. But hear me out for a sec. When you say, I want to make $100,000 with my business by the end of this year, what happens? For most people, it feels like such a big goal that it actually discourages them. They don't know where to start. The gap between where they are and where they want to be feels so massive that they freeze and then they do nothing. But what if instead you said, I'll make $100,000, it's just a matter of time. And then you focus on doing the necessary actions that lead to your goal every single day. You'll get there at some point. Maybe it takes 6 months. Maybe it takes 18 months. But you'll get there because you're consistently doing the work. The deadline doesn't matter. What matters is that you take daily action. And here's what I found. When you remove the pressure of the deadline, you actually move faster because you're not stressed about the timeline anymore. You're not discouraged because you're behind schedule. You're just focused on doing the work. Every day you wake up and you do the things that move you toward your goal. That's it. You send the outreach messages, you create the content, you improve your skills, you serve your clients. And over time, those daily actions compound into massive results. But it happens naturally, not because you forced yourself to hit some arbitrary deadline. So stop putting all this pressure on yourself with deadlines that just make you procrastinate more. Instead, commit to the daily actions and trust that the results will come. That's how you actually make progress. Look, here's the reality. You can absolutely stop procrastinating and build the life you want. It's completely possible. But it's not gonna happen by accident. It's not gonna happen because you watched this video and felt good for 20 minutes. It's gonna happen because you actually did something about it. You got clear on what you want. You experienced it. You invested in a mentor. You got uncomfortable. You took action every single day. That's what it takes. Action. So the question isn't whether you can change. You can. The question is whether you're willing to do what it takes. Because I can tell you for a fact, everything you want is on the other side of the work you keep avoiding. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.